Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back with another video. And today we're gonna play Squarebird as promised. And okay, intro. Okay, one more, and I'm down. I'm down. I'm done. Let me just get 3 eggs. Whatever. No thanks. Okay, see you next time and bye. Subscribe me, subscribe the channel, turn on the bell, like this video, follow me on Instagram, Facebook at Elvin Duan, and also TikTok. But TikTok I have 2 accounts. One is Elvin Duan and one is Elvin Duan 2. Okay, bye guys. Peace. I need to go outside to fix the Wi-Fi stuff. So let's try it now. Okay. Oh no! What is this? Close video. Yeah, close video. I just want place. Where's my clear one? Oh yeah, select. That's a ghost, I think. Okay, bye. Well, not bye yet. I'm just gonna pause it. Okay, tap to start. That was close. That's close. So close. It's so close. Get 3 eggs watching a video like the last video we did. We watched 2 videos and we got the helicopter. Remember viewers, dumb viewers. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I shouldn't call you dumb. Okay. Faster. Whatever. Okay. I want to get the next prize. Wait, no thanks. Next level. Oh, stupid ad. Again? No. When a pump, there. You want a little bit of whatever. I don't know how to sing that song. No. When a pump, Wait. Let me select. I want. When a pump, they can do. Sorry guys. Gotta pause a bit.